Hi everyone and welcome back. Easter is just around the corner, and what better way to celebrate than with a beautiful, delicious pavlova wreath. I'm going to show you how to create a show-stopping Easter pavlova wreath that will impress all your friends and family. Okay folks, let's make pavlova. Let's start by adding egg whites to a large clean bowl. Whisk these together for about 5 minutes until they form stiff peaks, just like this. We can now start adding the sugar, and I like to add about 1 tablespoon at a time while I whisk it in until it's all mixed in. It's very important to use caster sugar and not granulated sugar when you're making a pavlova, as you want the sugar to dissolve when you're mixing it. To check that the meringue is ready, rub a little bit of the meringue between your fingers, and if you don't feel any grains of sugar, it's perfect. Now we can add the white wine vinegar, corn flour or cornstarch and vanilla extract. Mix one final time for about 30 seconds. This is ready, so we can start creating our pavlova wreath now. Draw out a small and large circle on a piece of parchment paper and stick it down with a little of the meringue. Rub the paper with a little water, and this helps prevent the meringue from sticking. Use an ice cream scoop or a large spoon to add the meringue and keep within the 2 lines. Shape the top and sides of the meringue with a spatula. This is ready for the oven. Bake for 1 hour. When baked, turn the oven off, leave the door shut and leave it in the oven until you're ready to decorate. We're going to decorate this with freshly whipped cream. I haven't added icing sugar to it as the pavlova is sweet enough. Spread it all along the top. I also like to pipe cream on top as it gives it a lovely finish. Decorate with your favourite fruit, and I love strawberries and raspberries. And as it's Easter, I love to add lots of mini chocolate eggs as well, and some broken ones too. Of course you can decorate this however you wish. I love to make a pavlova wreath at Christmas, and I decorate it with pomegranate, blackberries, blueberries, raspberries, and it looks absolutely gorgeous. That's it, all done. It looks gorgeous and it's nearly too nice to eat. This Easter pavlova wreath will look fantastic on your Easter table. I hope you try it out, and if you do, let me know in the comments below how you got on. Check out the recipe in the description box under the video. Alright everyone, don't forget to subscribe or follow my page so you don't miss out on my easy to follow tutorials. Thanks for watching, happy baking everyone, enjoy!